Once again, inside of Hot August Nights in the Grand Sierra Resort. I'm Alan Taylor for the Grand Marshals Car Show. That's me. I picked all these cars. This little Ranchero drives by me and I was like, what is that? Well, Mike Leeper here, he knows there's a little more under the hood and a little more to the vehicle itself than just a regular Ranchero, right, Mike?
Yes, sir.
So you and I had this little conversation about not even turning on the radio anymore because
Right.
the exhaust note is really music to us, right?
Yep. The music's under the hood.
You did a great job on this car.
Thanks. Well, I actually bought it pretty much as it is. I've done a few modifications to it, but I've
Really?
known the car for about 7 years.
Yeah.
So it's just kind of grew on me. I told my friend I want first right of refusal, and one day the hand went up and I jumped on it.
Okay, I'll tell you that. I want first right of refusal.
All right.
All right?
You got it.
Talk about it from front to back.
It's got a 302 Mustang motor. It has a T5 four-wheel disc brakes, body frame connectors. It's been lowered obviously a little bit, and roller cam, Edelbrock aluminum heads, Edelbrock manifold, Holley 650. So it's got a lot in it.
The exhaust, whoever did the exhaust nailed it.
It's pretty sweet. I think it's like a 3-inch exhaust all the way out the back.
Oh, that's what it is. I
And
mean,
it
it's
has,
ridiculous, right?
Doug's headers on it, so it just, the note is pretty cool.
And it's a Ranchero.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like, it's such a usable machine.
Yeah. And
It's half truck, half car.
yeah, and I had 2 friends who had them, their dads had them when I was a kid, and I always liked the lines of the body, and so it's always kind of been something I've liked, so.
Yeah, no, I've always wanted to own a Ranchero. It's a beautiful machine. What about that color? What is that color?
We call it coral red.
Yeah.
It's been open for much debate, but
Yeah, no, it's definitely a coral.
and
There's
on
no
film it shows totally different than in person.
Yeah, well, unfortunately, that's all you're going to get to see. Mike, thank you very much.
Hey, thanks for finding me this morning.
65 Ranchero, it's awesome. I'm Alan Taylor, Grand Marshal, Hot August Nights. This is my show. There's more.